What's up, everybody? Back here with another reset. Today we have the AT&T Verge 2. This is a little bit of a newer phone, so if you have a pattern or a screen lock that you forgot and you have to reset the phone, this is how you do it. Just so this is a heads up, you will delete all your information, so if you have something important on here, it's going to be going bye-bye. So just wanted to give you guys a heads up. Right here we have the power button, and then you have your volume up and volume down buttons. And the first thing we have to do, since we don't know this password, is to turn off the phone. Oops. Hit volume up, hold volume up, and hit the power button. Should bring up the powering off option. So after the phone's powered off, what we want to do next is we want to hold the volume up button, which is up here, and the power button at the same time. So I'll hold volume up and power. Let go of power once you see the logo pop up. And this phone, the way this portion works is you have to use the volume buttons to navigate and to select. So it's volume down to select, and we need to hit recovery. So we're going to hit volume down to select that. And it's not going to do anything right away, but just give it a second and it'll start loading into it. Here we're at our reset menu. You can see from the options, we want to scroll down to wipe data, factory reset, hit the power button for the enter, scroll down again with the volume buttons for factory data reset. And now, as you can see, the phone is wiping. It's done. So we just reboot the system, we just hit power, and it's good. It's all done. And that is how you do a hard reset with the buttons on a Verge 2. So hopefully you guys found this helpful. If you guys have any questions or need to see a different phone, do a hard reset of a different phone, just drop a comment, like, subscribe, do whatever you got to do, and I'll try to get more up, including a few repair videos and teardown videos that I plan on doing it. So thanks, guys. Bye.